Transmission concerns are usually related to complaints of noise and hard shifting. Clutch wear may be the root cause of internal problems, so always start your diagnosis with an inspection of the clutch system linkages and components. Always begin the diagnosis with a road test to confirm the complaint and to note which gear the condition occurs in. Always eliminate all possible external causes before removing the transmission. In most cases, the causes are in the linkages or the clutch system. Check the adjustment of the manual gear range selector valve. The shift tower detents must match those in the transmission, or a low apply pressure will result in clutch slippage and decreased transmission life. In a pneumatic high-low air shift system, a range control valve controls air pressure to the slave valve. The slave valve directs pressure to the appropriate port on the range shift cylinder to cause the shift selected by the driver. Low to high range shifts can only be done when the transmission is in the neutral or passing through neutral. Leaking, restricted or kinked air lines or clogged filters will cause a no shift or no release condition, as will a defective air control valve or slave valve. Complaints of hard shifting or vibration may be caused by worn or broken transmission or engine mounts, so check the mounts first. When diagnosing concerns of leaks, check the transmission breather. A clogged breather can cause excessive pressure to build up inside the transmission and force fluid past otherwise good seals. If the external checks show that there are no problems, the transmission must be removed for disassembly to further diagnose the problem. Jumping out of gear is a condition when the fully engaged gear and synchronizer are forced out of engagement. Jumping out of gear can be caused by excessive end play on gears or by synchronizer wear or weak or broken detent springs or worn detents on the shifter rails. It can also be caused by extra long or heavy gear shift levers that whip around or by a driver who rides the clutch. Slip out is a condition when pulling under load or on deceleration with the load pushing, causing the synchronizer and gear to slip out of engagement. If the gears and bearings are burnt or blue, suspect a low fluid level, improper lubricant, or an overloaded truck, each of which will cause the transmission to overheat. Chipped and damaged gears can be caused by improper shifting or improper clutch release during shifts. The driver may also be the root cause of synchronizer wear or damage.